What's up, everybody? So right now I'm on my way to my friend's Junior's house. I'm gonna be giving him a ride to the a courthouse. He's gonna be getting some paperwork. After that, we're gonna be waiting for Tony to come by to the house. Tony's the one that helped me wrap the Miata the other day, as you seen in the previous video. And once he goes back to the house, we're gonna be heading over about an hour away. He's gonna be picking up a Miata as well. Pretty excited to see the Miata and let's see what it comes out to be like. Oh. Get in, loser. We're going to Vegas.
Oh, shit. Ready to lose on.
Hey, Tony.
All the way?
What do you feel about getting a Miata today?
I'm fucking happy.
You're going to be mobbing with me.
Yeah.
What color are you going to wrap it?
Fucking orange.
Orange. Junior's about to drive the Miata. We're trying to convince him to get one too. Let me know what you think. I want you to have a Miata by this summer. It stalls right away.
Oh, it's about just a little bit.
Bro. No mirrors. I see how you're trying to look for a mirror.
Yeah, watch out!
Hella far. Just go straight right there. Alright, you're good. What do you think, you're gonna buy one? No. Guys, so we're about to leave San Jose. How are you feeling, Tony?
I'm nervous.
Nervous for a new car? Wow.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Should be excited. This traffic better be worth that Miata.
I know. Hopefully.
We got an hour ahead of us.
2 hours later.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Good. Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. I can't wait to go home and polish it.
Let's bring it to my house real quick. What are your thoughts?
Damn.
Paint's a little beat up, but easily good wrapped.
That means it's good. If there's water that comes out of the car, it means it's good. I mean, it's not white smoke or anything. That's just from making it too cold.
One eternity later.
It's gonna need suspension.
All right, guys. So we're back in San Jose after like a 2 fucking hour drive. Here's the car right here.
It's gonna need some suspension.
Oh, look, it looks nicer on camera. Does have little clear coat issues, but it's gonna be wrapped. Nothing major. Let's check out the interior though. It does have a hard top. Lucky ass.
Hold up.
Oh god, here we go.
Oh shit, like fucking 7,000 keys he gave me.
There's interior. Oh, it came with a phone. What? Has a quick release. Kind of gay shift knob. Weird ass little thing.
To watch some porn.
It's to watch porn. It does need a good cleaning though. You're excited? How was the ride back?
Fucking beautiful.
Wet.